In today's video, we're going to explore the triangle inequality theorem a little bit. That is the triangle inequality theorem. And all that says is that to be able to make a triangle, certain things need to be true about the lengths of the sides. So let's see, I can try and make a triangle of line segment. Let's start with line segment HB. I'll try to make a triangle with line segment HB and with these two toothpicks. So I'll center one toothpick on point B, one toothpick on point H. And what do you think? Is this going to be able to, are these three side lengths going to be able to make a triangle? Well, we can test it out physically. I'll center this over here. So here are going to be two angles, two vertices, or two vertices of my triangle. And I'll bring these two picks together until they hit each other just at the ends. And I can see, yes, I was able to make a triangle with line segment HB and these two toothpicks. Great. Now, how about, what if I try to make a triangle with line segment AH and these same two toothpicks? So I'll do the same thing. And then I'm going to just try and bring these two toothpicks down, keeping them at point A and point H until they hit at the end, and I still have my vertices more or less where they were before. Oops, let me not mess it up too much. And here again, I was able to make another triangle with AH and these two toothpicks. I was capable of doing that. So in this case, I had the two toothpicks and this line segment AH, and it made a triangle. And before I had the two toothpicks and line segment HB, and I made a triangle. Now what about if I try to make a triangle with AB and these two toothpicks? Well, I can try and do that, but if I try and rotate these two toothpicks down, they never end up hitting each other before I rotate all the way down, and I end up with something like this, where I'm trying, my toothpicks are reaching as far as they can, and I'm trying to make them not roll. These two toothpicks are reaching as far as they can, but before they're able to make a triangle, they never hit, and they just end up lying flat on that line, AB. So I can say then, well, with these three side lengths, my two toothpicks and line segment AB, I was not able to make a triangle, and we're trying to come up with a full rule for why that is, or at least describe what's happening there.